Technology is the key to efficiency, and efficiency can drive growth. There are a ton of tech tools to choose from, but which do you really need that can contribute to business growth? Check out our top 5 tech tools or methods that we highly suggest for business growth. Click on the subscribe button below so that you won't miss any of our business success techniques and tools. First, we have the CRM, Customer Relationship Management System. A CRM is absolutely necessary because this is where your sales process is, or should be. A sales process will be the way that you capture and nurture your leads. So for lead generation and lead nurturing, a CRM is necessary. Phone system. Phone systems that are VoIP phone systems can be integrated with CRMs. Hence the reason why they're extremely popular right now. Having your phone system integrated with the CRM will allow you to identify the callers so that when someone calls in, there's a pop-up that will show you the customer and their information. And then if they're not already in your system, you have the ability to add them once that call has been made, incoming or outgoing. Automated emails. I'm sure a lot of us are already using automated emails. For those of you who are not, they are and can be extremely valuable. Nurturing your leads is how you turn your leads into paying customers. Automated emails is how you nurture those leads. So if you're not already using automated emails, you should start like right now. Data analytics. If you are tracking your conversion rates already, awesome job. But there are a lot of us who are not. When you collect the data from your sales processes, this can help you improve your conversion rates, meaning what it takes to convert a lead to a customer, and it can help you identify areas of opportunity. If you are not already using your analytics, your reporting, your KPIs, or your key performance indicators, start today. Automated operations processes. Depending on your industry, your business, and the type of processes you need within your business, you more than likely have multiple operations processes. In our free ebook, A Simple Guide to Customizing a Simple System Using Zoho, we break down all of the different types of business processes as well as all of the different operations processes. I highly suggest downloading that, reading the description so that you can identify which processes you already use and which you need to use. But it could be accounting management, customer service, distribution, project management, quality control. There are different types of operations processes, but automating those for your team or teams is key to efficiency, which will drive growth. Hopefully, that has been helpful to you and will help you create content or post easily, quickly, and without taking too much of your time. If you haven't created a Canva account, there's a link down in the comments. Also, download our free ebook, A Simple Guide to Customizing a Simple System Using Zoho. We use Zoho for a lot of different things. The platform covers a lot of different application and types of processes that you may need in your business. And so that book will guide you through how to set up your system in a very simple way. And then also we have free courses at Successful Learning, which is learn.successfulsolutions.com. It's learn.successful with 2 L's solutions.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go ahead and click the button.